Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everybody in my channel of the series 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 up to so on. So some of the series is given, infinite series is the given. So as we know that first of all this is geometric series. If we find common ratio, what is the common ratio? Common ratio, we are finding common ratio R is equal to second value divided by first value. Second value is 1 divided by 16 and 1 divided by 8. We can write 1 divided by 16 and 8 divided by 1. So that will be the reciprocal division change into multiplication. So both are cancelled to each other. So we can write here 1 by 2. Common ratio we get here 1 by 2. Now sum of the series is infinite geometric series. As we know that sum of the infinite geometric series is a1 divided by 1 minus r. So now here a1 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So is equal to 1 by 8 divided by taking LCM. We get 2 minus 1, we get 1 by 2. Now 1 by 8 into 2 divided by 1. So both are cancelled. Here we get 1 by 4. 1 by 4, we check the option here. 1 by 4, C is the correct answer in this question. 1 by 3, 1 by 8, 1 by 13 and 1 by 8. So what is the result? So look here at 8 minus 3 we get here 5, 13 minus 5 or 13 minus 8 we get 5. So this is geometric series. If we write here in the arithmetic progression 3, 8 and 13, 18 are in arithmetic progression. So first of all we find here d second value minus first value 8 minus 3 or 13 third value minus 8. So all of these we get is equal to 5. So the common difference is the same. So this is arithmetic series. Arithmetic series we have the next term. What is the results here? And the question is asking from is a harmonic progression. What is the 12th term? 12th term is required. So harmonic progression 12th term is required. First of all we find here an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 d. Here 12th term is required. We put a12 is equal to a1 is 3. Here is mistake. So we had this will be sorry. Third term is 158. The other term we ignore here 128. So the correct answer is here C is progression. C is the correct option in this question, because as we know that harmonic progression is 1 divided by reciprocal of arithmetic progression. So here is given that reciprocal of arithmetic progression is called harmonic progression. Pi under root minus 4 and pi under root plus 4 is equal to what? Does not exist according to the definition. If we are applied here geometric means, we know that geometric mean is equal to plus minus ab under root, and here plus minus a is given 5 under root minus 4 into 5 under root plus 4. So if we are apply this formula, according to the formula plus minus a minus b, a plus b, here if we are using here to 5 under root whole a square minus b square 4 square. So the answer will be here 20, both are cancelled. This will be 5 minus 16 and plus minus 11 we get here plus minus 11 iota square. So geometric mean here an imaginary part. So imaginary part does not exist in this case. So the answer D is the correct option. Arithmetic means between two number is 100. Then arithmetic between two number is what? So as we know that the arithmetic mean between two numbers, arithmetic means between two numbers a and b, we can write summation x divided by n. This is the general formula, and a plus b divided by 2 we can also write here. But the four arithmetic means that four times multiply by this arithmetic means between a and b is equal to what? N a plus b divided by 2. N times, four times. But also here the sum is given that sum is given that it means that that formula is suitable here. We can write sum of divided by 4, so both are cancelled, we get 25. 25 is the correct answer here. So as we know that the general arithmetic geometric progression a1 r power n minus 1. First of all, we required in this value common ratio is required. Common ratio is second value divided by first value. Second value is 1 by 2 and the first value is 1. So we get 1 by 2 is the common ratio. Now substitute this result. Seventh value, 7 term is required. Here we put here 7 a1 r power 7 minus 1. A1 is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 by 2, we get here 6, and 1 divided by 2 power 6, we can write 1 6 power 6 and 2 power 6 is equal to 1 divided by 64. 64D is the correct option. Plus B, C and A minus B are in arithmetic progression. Then what is the value of an arithmetic progression? First of all, we have know that an arithmetic sequence in the form of three values are given: a plus b, c and a minus b. We are required difference, common difference we required. D is equal to second value minus first value. If we are finding, this is the value of D, and similarly a3 a third value minus second value. If we substitute the result in this value, we can write c minus a plus b is equal to third value a minus b minus second value. So if we subtract this value a minus b, a minus b, a minus b minus c. So look here, if we change this value here, so the result will also be changed here, c plus c, and minus ab here, ab a change, so this will be plus a, and here plus b. So plus b are cancelled here, 2c, c plus c we get, and a plus a 2a. So both are cancelled, c is equal to a. So here correct answer is C. Mean between two numbers 5 and 5. What is the value of sum of 5 arithmetic means? So as we know that arithmetic means between two numbers a and b is equal to a plus b divided by 2. But here sum of 5 times 5 arithmetic means 5 arithmetic means of a over b is equal to 5 times of a plus b divided by 2. So we can write here 5, a is 5 and b is also 5 divided by 2. If we add this result, we will get here 10, 10 both are cancelled, we will get here 25. 25 is the correct answer. Here D is the correct answer. 78, if A, G and H have usual meaning, so there is no change in their meanings according to the definition. So we are using the geometric mean. Then G, geometric mean 2 by 3 is what is the result. As we know that geometric mean is the product of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. So if we are taking here, but here is 2 divided by 3 is required, means that here 2 taking 1 by 3, the power 1 by 3 is required to each term of the exponent. So we take here g2 divided by 3 is equal to, we can write this one ah, an index form, that is called index form. We can say that is index form. So the result is here D is the correct option, and here is D is the correct option, but here is one mistake also here. This will be, we put here 1 by 4. So D is the correct option. If a first term is given and the general term is also given, 4 term is required, how we calculate? It means that first term is given, then we put here n is equal to 2, 3 and 4. So we will get put here n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, 3 and 4, because 4 term is required. So first of all we are required second term is also, we find put n is equal to 2 in the given formula. So we get here 2 into 8, 2 minus 1 plus 5. So what is the result? 2a1 plus 5. 2a1 is already given 3. So we get here 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Second term we get here 11, and similarly put n is equal to 3 here in the given term formula. A3 is equal to 2. I am put directly 3 minus 1, 2 plus 5. Here's 2 into 11 plus 5. Here we get 22 plus 5, 27. 27 we have get here, and similarly here 4 term is required. What is the 4 term here? If we put n is equal to 4, so 2 a3 is already, we get here 27 plus 5, 54. 54 plus 5 is equal to 59. 59 is the correct answer. Here D is the correct. D is also given in the geometric progression, and common ratio is also given. General term is also given. What is the number of terms in this value? So we are using the geometric progression formula. If the n term is given, an is equal to a1 r n minus 1. General term is given 1 by 4, and the first term is also 64. R is also given 1 by 4, n power minus 1. Dividing both sides by, if we put here dividing both sides by 64. So 64 both sides, if we divide here, both are cancelled, and here we get 1, 4, 64 is equal to 1 divided by 4 n power n minus 1. N is required. So 64, if we here 3 times, if we put here 64, 4 multiplied by 4, 16, 16 multiplied by 4, 64. So we get here 4 into 4 power 3 is equal to 1 by 4 whole power n minus 1. So we can write here 4 power 4 is equal to 1 by 4 n minus 1. Similarly 1 by 4 we can write 1 by 4 whole power 4 is equal to n minus 1. 1 by 4 whole power 1 n minus 1. Bases are same, so we take the power exponent. 4 is equal to n minus 1, so this will be changed here. N is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is the correct answer here. Is 7 and second value is 4. So common difference we are finding second value minus first value. 4 minus 7 we get here minus 3. So general term we know that a1 plus n minus 1 d. Here n minus 1 is n minus 2 is required. Put in here n minus 2 is equal to a1 plus n minus 2 minus 1 d. Here a1 is already given 7 plus n. N we are finding here n minus 3 and d is given we have find minus 3. So we put here minus 3. 7 minus 3 multiplied by n, we get minus 3n, minus into minus plus 9, 9 plus 7 we get 16, 16 minus 3n. This is the general term of the sequence. We get here B as the correct answer. The mean geometric means G1, G2 and G3 are geometric means between 1 and 243. If third geometric mean is given that 81. So what is the value of geometric 2? So common ratio is required in geometric ratio. We know that second value divided by first value in geometric mean G2, G3 and are given 1, 1, 1 and geometric mean 1, 2 and 3 is given 81 and fourth is geometric third 243. So what is the G2 is required here? It means that here if we are finding G2 divided by G first and G third divided by G second, so we will get here the answer. G2 is required. G2 means that if we divide directly this one, G2 is equal to 243 divided by 81. So we will get here 27. 27 is the correct answer. 3 a first term is given, then what is the common ratio is the formula sum of infinite geometric series is a1 divided by 1 minus r is required. If we take the cross multiplication here 1 minus r is equal to 1, so s infinity. Here first value is given 2 divided by 7 and the sum of the 2 divided by 3, so 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 2 both are cancelled. We get here 3 divided by 7. 1 minus r is required. 1 minus r is equal to 3 divided by 7. 1 if we change here 3 divided by 7 is equal to r is equal to taking LCM 7 minus 3 divided by 7. So we get 4 divided by 7 is the answer. 4 divided by 7 is the correct answer. Geometric mean is 100. Geometric mean is given geometric mean and harmonic mean is given that 32 over 3. What is the arithmetic mean? What is the arithmetic mean is required according to the formula. We know that A cross H. This is the general formula between relation geometric mean and arithmetic harmonic mean. So like here we are required arithmetic mean is required, so dividing both sides by h. If we divide by h, so both are cancelled. We get here a is equal to geometric square. If we take here square, we get here 128 square. So divided by harmonic mean is 32 divided by 3. So both are cancelled. This one 128, 32, and we get here 1 divided by 3. So if we cancellation is required, so if we cancel to each other, so the result will be here. Change here, we can get here 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1, so we will get here 12. 12 is the correct answer. 85. If A, B and C are in arithmetic progression, then m power exponent A, m power B, m power C are, what is their phase value? Look here, if we are finding an arithmetic progression, so automatically if power n in exponent, so that will be common ratio. In common ratio we will finding and geometric progression. So geometric progression is the correct answer here, because if we check this result, second value divided by first value, second value divided by first value, and third value divided by second value. So here this is the ratio. If we find here m power b divided by m power a is equal to m power c divided by m power b. So here we can write, this is our same, we subtract the power b minus a, so is equal to m power c minus b. Look here, and they are in arithmetic progression, so we will get here c minus b, and b minus a. They are in arithmetic progression, so your d is equal to d2. So here second value minus first value, and third value minus second value. Here b minus a is equal to c minus b. So look here, bases are same, so we take the power a is equal to here c minus b. So that will be called n and geometric progression. Convergent are absolute less than equal to 1. We check our common ratio. Look here, if we check here, d is common ratio is required in convergent, but here is we divide minus 6 divided by 2, 3, that is not suitable. And here if we divide 10 divided by 2, so 2 is greater than. And here if we divide 4 divided by 8 and 2 divided by 4, we get here 4 and 1 by 2, and here is 1 by 2. If we are taking absolute, so this will be less than 1. So C is the correct option, because according to the formula, convergent series is R absolute must be less. Using Pythagoras theorem, A, B and C. So this is right triangle whose angle is 90 degree, and sides are in arithmetic progression, and here side is A and B and C. So according to the formula, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. We are using this theorem from the 9th class book. We have already discussed in the theorem. Hypotenuse is here b square is equal to base is c square plus perpendicular is a square. According to this formula, look here, if we are finding 1 square, so this will be not equal. And if we get here 5, hypotenuse is 5 square is equal to 3 square plus and 4 square. So we will get here 25, 9 plus 16, so we will get here 25. So B is the correct option. Other values, if we are applying this theorem, so they are not equals, so and their side of ratios are equal to 3, 4, 5. This will be equal to 5, and this will be equal to 4, and this will be equal to base is 3. So according to this formula, so if we are applying in a right triangle whose angle is 90 degree, so we are applying Pythagoras theorem. So we will get the answer 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. For 88, the nth term of the sequence for which nth term is given is sum, there is given. So in the term we find an is required in the term. In the terms means as we are finding an. So according to the formula, we know that an is equal to Sn minus 1. Here Sn is given. So we put the result, put the value 2 into 3 power n minus 1, and if we are finding, put the value of a replace of n, we put n minus 1, so we will get here 2 into 3 power n minus 1 and minus 1. So look here, we write this result 2 into 3 power n minus 1 minus 2 into 3 power n into 3 power minus 1 minus 1. Now if we taking here common, if we take common this result and this result, if we take common, we can further simplify 2 3 power n minus 1, and or we expand this one. 2 is common. If we take 2 is common here, 2 is common. So this will be expand here now. 2 is common. We can write 3 power n dot 3 power minus 1 plus and 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 both are cancelled to each other. So here if this result, if we taking common, if we take common here 2 and 2, 3 dot power n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, this will be equal to, and here 2 and 2 3 power n 3, if we get here this will be we will get here 3 multiplied by 1 3 minus 3 minus 1 and divided by 3. If we further simplify this result 2 into 3 power n and here 2 divided by 3. So this result 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4 and 3. So power is here 3 power n minus 1. So look here, B is the correct option. Term of the series. It means that here Sn is equal to common ratio second value divided by first value. So second value is 1 by 2 and first value is 1 by 2. So as we know that R1 is less than 1, that is, so 1 by 2 is less than 1. So that is convergent series. Convergent series and convergent series, if they are sums, if we are finding Sn is equal to a1 1 minus r power n 1 minus r. So in this formula we are using here Sn is equal to a1 is equal to 1 and n2 1 minus r we have 1 by 2 power n divided by 1 minus r 1 minus 2. So we will get here 1 minus 1 by 2 power n divided by 1 by 2. So this will be 2 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n. Here check the answer. A is the correct option. So an is equal to a1 r power n minus 1. R is the common ratio if we are divide, so this will be equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. A is 9 term is required, 9 term A1 is 1 2 by 3 and common ratio is 1 by 2. 9 minus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 3 and 1 divided by 2 8. 8 here we get here 8, if we get here 2 divided by 3 and 1 2 power 8. So this will be cancelled, we get here 7. If we are multiplied by 3, so we get here 384. So the correct answer is 1 divided by 384 is the correct. Times arithmetic means we know that arithmetic means between a and b is equal to a plus b divided by 2. And 3 times arithmetic means 3 times 3 arithmetic means 3 arithmetic means between a and b, so 3 times a plus b divided by 2. If we are right in the arithmetic progression, we write a1, a2, a3 and 9. 9 is that one is equal to 3 times of a plus b divided by 2. So here their arithmetic mean is equal to sum of a1 plus a2 plus a3 is equal to 3 times a plus b according to the question is given. So that will be 65 divided by 4 and is equal to 3, and here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to, here a is equal to a and b is equal to 9, b is equal to 9 and divided by 2. We are required the value of a. 2 is multiplying to each others, or we can say that multiplying both sides by 2 divided by 3, and here 2 divided by 3 if we multiply this will be cancelled, 3 3 cancel, and here 2 and 2 13, we get here 13 divided by 2 is equal to a plus 9. No, sorry, here we get there is not cancellation is 3 and 65 cannot cancel to each others, so we get here 65 divided by 6, 65 divided by 6. So if we change here, a is equal to 60, a is 65 divided by 6 minus 9. So taking the LCM, 6 is LCM 65, 9 multiplied by 6 we get 54. So if we subtract this result, 15 minus 4, 15 minus 4, 5 minus 4 we get 1 and 11. The series 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9 up to 7 on by 3, and sum is required. Infinite geometric series here. First of all, we are finding r is equal to second value divided by first value. Second value 1 by 3 divided by 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So sum of infinite series is required. Sum of the series is required. So here is infinite series is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus r is equal to s infinity. A1 is first value is 1, 1 divided by 1 minus 3. So we get here 1 divided by, take the LCM, 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So 1 divided by 2 divided by 3, and so this will be equal to 2 and 3 divided by 1, so 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is the correct, C is the correct option. 93, product of n geometric mean between two number a and b is. So product of n geometric means, n geometric mean is required. N geometric mean, we know that geometric means between two number is a plus minus ab under root. So here is n times means here n geometric means here the number between 2 and is the nth power. Nth power we can write here nth power of a or b, nth power of a or b. Or we can write in this terms, we can write nth power. Geometry mean between this term is, we can also write here and this one. So question number 94, 94, if G1, G2, G3, G and B, the geometric mean between two numbers, then this will be changed here in the term nth power. But here is geometric mean between two number is dot G1, G2, G3. So the same answer, but here B is the correct option, as we know that here G1, G1, G2 and G3 dash is Gn. We are applying n times, so AB under root, AB under root, and r dot AB under root. So that is n times. N times here we can put here an. So arithmetic mean between on two number is that ones. If n arithmetic means if we are finding, so it is n times a plus b divided by 2. So n time is that one is option A is the correct option. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Step by step we are going to proceeding the next MCQs in the next video. Once again, for thank you to subscribe my channel.